video about our mycological assignment, which is the importance of fungi in economic. There are four roles of fungi in economic. First one is their importance in their role in agriculture, their role in medicine, their role in industrial, and the last one is their role as food. I mentioned earlier the importance of fungi in economic and their role as I mentioned, there are four roles, which is as industrial, as medicine, and also as agriculture. For medicine, they use fungi to create penicillin. Penicillin was created from fungi called Penicillium notatum. And for industrial, fungi use to create citric acid, and also they use fungi to create detergent.
The role of fungi in agriculture is it can be used as fertilizer.
The role of the fungi here is to make the food last long, because in this food it contains citric acid, which is produced from Aspergillus, which is one of the fungi. This is also the importance of fungi as its role as a food. Did you know that we can directly eat this food, eat this fungi? In my hand, this is called enoki mushroom, and this is also called white shimeji mushroom. We can eat this mushroom directly, or we can use it as a topping, and we can cook it as soup. But enoki mushroom is always familiar to be cooked in fried. And also this is black fungi. This is also the importance of fungi as its role as a food. Did you know that in order to make tempeh, they're going to fermentate the soybean and add some yeast in order to make mold. As you can see, the white area in this on this tempeh is called mold, and the fungi that they use to make this is called Rhizopus, and Rhizopus come from phylum Zygomycota. Okay. Another role of fungi as a food is to make soy sauce. Why? Because one of the fungi that used to make soy sauce and miso soup is they will use fungi called Aspergillus oryza.